Hey, Miami Boat Ride!
Welcome back, everybody, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting 79th Street. And we do got a crew coming in on approach. It appears on 6. They have a good line. No fenders, no lines, but that's typical 79th Street style here. But let's see how they do on approach. Oh my, Captain Crunch brings it in a little hot. That one was strange. I mean, they hit hard. From viewing it, it doesn't appear that hard. I don't know if he hit a soft spot, something on the boat that could have cracked, but whatever they hit something. And I think something's either crunched on the gel coat on this boat, or they possibly broke some. Where is he going now? He's coming a little further in on 6, but I'm not sure why they didn't just tie up there. But we still don't have any fenders, no lines. Obviously, fenders may have helped here a little bit. Of course, Cap's going to check out the damage. I mean, they crunched something good. We can't really see it from here, but man, the sound. The sound was like nails on a chalkboard to me. And of course, we've got, the 1 foot stretchy line we're going to use to tie this thing off, because that's how we roll down here at 79th. But they are on the dock. And it's all about the gram. I'll tell you what, 79th Street, gotta be Insta-famous by now for the amount of Instagram pictures we see taken down here. But this crew's down here just having a little fun. Speaking of having a little fun, we do have an announcement at the end of this video. We're doing our annual Bahamas trip. Hang out to the end if that's something you're interested in hearing a little more details about. Where are you going, bro? Careful. And into the mangroves. At least he turned before he came directly here toward the camera. Almost lost his aquamat on the end. The mangroves tried to grab it, but he was able to barely hang on. But he's going to go in for the solo approach on 1 now. And let's see how this fares. Hopefully a little better than the U-turn did. So he's definitely going to take the slow roll approach. But once again, he's at least got fenders out. But it is a solo approach, and this is a difficult boat to dock on a solo approach because of the way he's going to have to get off, but he's left the helm way off the dock. And I mean, he looks like he's hanging for it, but no, he realizes he's going to have to go up here and readjust one more time. And here it looks like he came and brought himself to a complete stop. There we go, he realizes again, like, yeah, this isn't going to work either. Just the nudge of forward. He's going to ever so slowly approach the dock. We're going to go for the leap, and he gets it. And his solo approach is a whole lot better than his U-turn was. And it looks like today we've got a special treat down here at 79th. We don't see this kind of stuff that often because a lot of the boating manufacturers know we're down here now, so they don't bring their newest concept boats out here anymore, because we're going to give you guys sneak peeks, kind of like this situation right here, as we have the newest in catamaran technology being released. And I'm pretty sure this is a one-of-a-kind concept at the moment, but you're witnessing a Haulover Slayer being born. So our crew's patiently waiting for a spot. It looks like the guys on 3 are possibly untying. And our crew's gonna keep backing up. And now they're backing up more toward us. Hey guys, be a little careful. We've already been attacked by 1 boat today trying to make it into the mangroves. Let's not make it 2. It's always interesting though, Cap doesn't even look behind him, and it does get shallow back here. And they've got to be a little careful, but Cap's going to stop and make that forward approach in on 3 now that our other boat has departed. And so they're going to start making their angle over. They're coming in a little off the dock. Wait a minute. Whoa, 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 guys, where are you going? Not again. And we've got another one coming directly at us. And at least we get a brake check right before they get here. Oh, man. He's having some kind of trouble with the steering, it appears. So, Cap's backing up. My man in the bow is like, what are you doing, bro? And here we go. Trees are getting attacked again. Let's not attack the camera, though. Stop. Oh, Cap. He's like, bro, turn the wheel. And here we go. We've got it heading in a more conventional direction now. And I guess these guys are going to try and get out into Biscayne Bay, and I hope there's nothing out there for them to run into. But it definitely appears there's something wrong with the steering. He's definitely having difficulties in getting this boat to go in the direction he wants it to go. But somehow they're going to make it out of here on 79th, and they will make their way out into the bay. And speaking of getting out of here after being attacked twice now, I think we're going to make it out of here while we still can as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here. And as we mentioned earlier, we are doing our annual Bahamas trip. This year, it's going to be June 16th to the 19th. We'll be departing from Fort Lauderdale, going to the island of Bimini. This event is in collaboration with the Bahamas Tourism Ministry. For details on the event, go to Bahamas.com. Click on the Getting Here tab, then click on the Boating tab, and you will find the Bahamas Boating Flings. Once you're in there, you will see the June 16th to 19th event, and it will have all the details you need to participate. There are only a few restrictions. Your vessel must be in good running order, must be a minimum of 22 foot, and you must be able to attend a captain's meeting Wednesday night before departure. This is a great opportunity for those of you who've always wanted to take your boat to the Bahamas, but we're looking to do it in a safe group environment. Here you'll do it in coordination with the Bahamas government to help make your trip go as easy as possible. This event, however, is limited to the first 30 signed up participants, so if you think it's something you want to do, go ahead over to Bahamas.com right now and register yourself to make sure to secure your spot, as these will fill up fast. If for some reason you can't make the event dates we're participating in, don't worry about it. The Bahamas actually does 6 of these events a year, so there's plenty of opportunity for you to catch them on one of their other dates. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next episode.